lot of snow, guys. Like, I just woke up to this. Like, seriously, this is a whole lot of snow. Look at that car struggling there.
I didn't even realize it's snowing outside today. My husband went out and he got stuck in the snow. I was just indoor and my son came to call me that it's snowing.
I know, the weather is crazy. Look at my car. Right? Like, look. It's buried in snow. Uh-oh, this is too much snow.
I went out with the kids yesterday. They are on Easter break, so we went to the zoo. So I didn't even, have no clue that it's gonna snow. I would have parked in the garage. So this is what I have to deal with this early morning. OMG, this is the third week of April. How come we have this much snow? Like, I just can't believe this. Somebody should wake me up.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ ọkọ mi, kúṣẹ́.
Yesterday was super sunny. When we went to the zoo, it was so sunny, and all of a sudden the temperature dropped, but I had no clue that it was gonna snow. Seriously, like, look at the garage front. Like, look at the driveway. It's just there empty. I would have parked there. I would have parked in the garage. Aren't we supposed to be in spring, guys? We are supposed to be in spring. I thought I was done with this Mr. White, the snow thing. I guess we have to deal with this. We get what we get. We don't get upset. This is a battle. We have to be strong, okay?
You know what? I need to go change so that I can, help clear this snow. Like, I need to shovel the snow. It's too much, guys, so I just can't leave my hubby by himself. Let me go change. Look at the window, guys. Look at the window. Like, everything is frost. Look at that. Look at the window. I can't even see clearly the highway. See that? Like, this snow, whew, it's quite a lot. Like, it's a whole lot of snow. Look at the backyard. And look at the highway from there.
I woke up with panic attack. My son came and knocked at my door and said, Mommy, the window. I'm like, what happened to the windows? He said he can't see that there's something wrong with the window. So I rushed down the bed and just to come out and see the window. And this is what I found. I'm like, oh, that's fine. It's just snow, right? We have to deal with it. He was so worried he couldn't see through the window. And I told him we had snow in November, December. So just that, the fact that it's coming through the window, that was what baffled him.
So, guys, I'm all ready. I'm all changed. Now we can battle this snow. We can shovel this snow together. Oh my goodness gracious. This is my snow boot. I am so ready. Okay, let's go. We are ready for this, right? Are you ready? Ouch! I am tired.
Okay, guys, let's have a quick fun. I want to do a snow angel. This might be my last chance to have a snow angel, guys. Let's go for this. 1, 2, go. That was so much fun, guys. Like, let me get back to work. That was cool. I love it. You have to make fun of whatever comes your way, right? God gave us a snow and I decided to make a snow angel, right? That was so cool, guys. This is another way of completing my exercise. Like shuffling the snow is not easy at all. My hand hurts, my leg hurts, my nose is running, like so much thing happening to me right now. But it's all fun, and it's what we have to do, right guys? I will be stepping out soon to go to the mall to go pick up something. So I'm just gonna leave my car running and I'll just finish up with this snow thing. I'm tired, guys. Do let me know in the comment section what is your weather in the month of April. We are having winter versus spring here in Canada.
The next day.
Hello guys, this is the next morning. This is the aftermath of the of the snow. Yesterday was horrible. Like the snow was just non-stop, but today is nice and sunny, but it's not really cold. Like as you can tell, I'm just wearing my sweater, and the weather is so nice. So we are just gonna have a quick walk around the neighborhood. It's beautiful out, so let's go guys. This is the aftermath of the snowstorm, guys. Like look at my street. Let me show you guys.
You know? Sorry guys.
Tim, what are you doing? Snow.
Help! Help! Help!
Shoe. Oh, your shoe is stuck? He said shoe. His shoe is stuck. Oh. How did you get here, Tim? Tim is stuck in the snow. Tim got stuck in the snow. So we have to fix the shoe. Are you okay, Papa? Okay.
Sorry, YouTubers. I had to. Mommy.
Yes?
I'm sliding down.
Okay, slide down. I want to see.
3, 2. Are you looking?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
You did it.
I'm gonna slide. Okay, that's how you do yours. This is how I do mine. 3, 2, 1.
Be gentle, Joshua.
Now this is how I do mine.
All your jackets are going to the laundry for sure. Timothy, what are you up to? So we're just going to be having a quick walk around the neighborhood. The weather is nice and sunny. And the boys, they want to build a snowman. They want to play. So let's go for it. Okay, guys, let's go.
After this, one more slide.
Hey, Tim. I caught you.
Mommy, look. See?
Joshua, what's the matter?
When I slide down, I keep getting bumped.
Okay, get up and fix it.
You guys,
Timothy, let's go this way. We're going this way.
this is fun.
It is fun, eh? The weather is so nice. Very pretty, guys. Like, this is snow in April. Today is April the 20th, and this is spring versus winter. This is what we get in Calgary, Alberta. Like, so
Oh my
feels like
God.
we're in November, December kind of thing. It's so snowy, guys. We are having a snow walk. Like, this snow is so deep. Oh no! I almost fell. Oh my God! Ouch! I have to carry Tim. We can't make it through the snow. Like, look at that, guys. Joshua!
I can make it, boys.
Okay. Are you enjoying your snow walk? Are you enjoying it?
See my shoes?
Woo! I I really need a boot. Get back. Get back out. Out. Out, Papa.
Hey you.
Yeah, you. Let me cover your hair. Yeah, you. There you go. Joshua, where's your shoe? Okay, let me go get it. Are you doing okay? Do you need help?
No.
Hello. Okay, put that on. Okay, almost done. Almost done. Okay, you did it. Good job. Good job, Joshua. High five. Yay. Just fix Joshua's shoes and the journey continue. We have to keep waka. We are just taking a rest here. Oh my God. That was a long walk. Whew. Like the snow. Oh my God. It's so deep, guys.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's very deep.
Look at him.
Joshua, no, don't do that. Get down. Don't do that. Get down. We have to keep going. There you go. And fix that. Fix it. Okay, now let's go. We're going this way. We're going down the hill.
Well, we can go down.
You know
the hill
what?
there.
I think you guys should do snowboarding, right?
Yeah.
Should we?
Yeah. Go all the way down.
Okay, let's go then. Hello. We're having a walk. We're having a snow walk in April. This is so cool, guys. I love the fact that the weather is not cold, right? Because whenever it snows, like the temperature drops. So this is a good time to have a good walk with kids. Okay.
Yeah.
They decided they want to snowboard, so we're going back home to go get the board. So we're going to the hill. We have a hill down the road there, so they will be snowboarding there. So let's go have some fun, guys. Okay, be gentle with it, okay? Okay, I think it's about time we get back in. Like, we've been here for like over an hour now, so we should go back in. It's almost lunchtime, so we are gonna be leaving here soon. Oh, we make it to the dry land. Yes, this is the dry land. Okay, I have to push you guys now, but this is not high enough, right?
So then we have to go a little.
Yeah, we have to go down there. Look, just down there, the road. You see that place is a little bit high. Gosh, get off the snow. Go to the dry land. No, go to the grass there. Yeah. Go to the grass. Yes, there. Hey, Timothy getting a ride. Let's go. Big brother pushing Timothy. Hey! He got off. Be gentle. Timothy. Easy, easy. Easy. Be gentle. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. That was so slow. That was all fun, guys. That was a good snow walk. I had fun and the kids have fun too, so we loved it. Big brother duty. Big brother is pushing little team, right? Like you can tell with the way Josh is pulling the snowboard that he is extremely tired, so we have to go back home. Okay guys, we are heading back home. The kids are tired, I am tired, and it's lunch time, so we've been out for like more than an hour, so we have to go back home and take a shower and do some laundry because these jackets are not coming into my home. They need to be washed thoroughly. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you all in my next episode. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscription button. Also hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you guys. Bye.